last semester, I was fortunate enough to work at École Normale Supérieure in Lyon, shortly known as ENS, which is situated in France. It was basically a research internship, and the topic of research was workflow optimization in cloud computing using something known as differential evolutionary algorithms. I worked with Professor Arya, who is associate professor for mechanical engineering at MEC, on a project for my course. After which he asked me if I could collaborate with him on a different project in collaboration with École Normale Supérieure, and I said yes, and that's how I got an opportunity to work with École Normale Supérieure. And this summer they asked me to come back and work with them in France, so I said yes. I was trained by both Professor Arya and Daniel, who I was working with at France, in every aspect of the work I was going to do. They showed me the way, they gave me reference material, they taught me stuff that I could not understand, which made me in a way eligible after a while. My internship at ENS was basically a research internship. The topic of research was cloud computing, and it had a lot of data to review and analyze and a lot of experiments to run, so it can get really boring at times. You have to set an alarm at night to wake up to check if the experiment has been completed, review the data, send it to your advisors, and repeat the whole cycle again and again. So it was really hectic at times. The field I was working in for research at ENS was workflow optimization using evolutionary algorithms. These algorithms are developed based on Darwinian theory of evolution, the survival of the fittest. So basically, after a few generations of the solution, you are left with only the best solutions, the remaining all die out. And we implied these solutions in a real case and got some amazing results. So we are planning on publishing a paper. Speaking from an academic point of view, the internship was very informing for me. I was introduced to a lot of topics like cloud computing and the middleware used to do different stuff in cloud computing, and the optimization techniques that are used in the cloud computing environment to reduce the energy consumed by the servers and the time taken by the servers to compute the jobs that they're given. All this, I believe, would pave way and mold my career in the future. The first thing that you see when you go to France is the amount of social courtesy that people show you. You're expected to say thank you for every small thing that you do there. I felt really awkward when people said thank you for every small thing, like opening the doors and closing them behind them. And apart from that, even the cuisine is completely different. I missed my spices from India when I was there. My major takeaway from this internship, apart from the academic point of view, would be my experience of living alone in a foreign country and working my own finances, which was really tough. You can only experience it when your next paycheck is due and you're waiting for it, and you have to choose between a Subway and noodles, and you check your wallet and there's only €2 and you go for the noodles. My advice to my juniors would be pursue your ideas no matter what. You can fail as many times as you want. The worst thing is going to be you're going to try again, learn from the mistakes, and this time do it right. Thank you.